subscribers?
No, hi guys. Chat. Go to chat. My name's Chat.
Okay. All right. Here we go, everybody. Third period, 9, 10, 24. Median. The median. Yay, us. Now, does anybody remember, Tiffany? Look at us now. Woo, yay, we're on task. Okay, median. Does anybody know what median is in math?
No.
Anybody remember? Okay, median is the middle number when the numbers are in order. So median is the middle number when the numbers are in order. When the numbers are in order. What's the first thing you have to do? Before that? Organize them. How? Numerical. Which number comes first? Least, which means smallest. So median is the middle number. Keyword is middle number. So step 1. This is a 1. Put the numbers from least to greatest. Put the numbers from least to greatest. Now, what does least to greatest mean? It's just a fancy word from smallest to biggest. So least to greatest is just a fancy word from small to big. From small to big. The number one reason I do these videos is for kids who are absent. So if you miss a day, you can watch the video and catch up. If you don't see a video, that might be because nothing new was taught, so I don't record when we review. The second reason I record is if you've missed something in class or you don't understand, like I went too fast, you can always watch the video and go slow and read. All right, step 2. Cross out from each end, and I'll show you what I mean by that in a second. Cross out from each end. Last year with Miss Benavente and Bañuelos, did you guys watch videos when they were absent?
Yeah. No. Yeah.
No? Yes? Okay. So very similar to those videos. Cross out from each end. Cross out from each end. Okay. You have done this in the past. This isn't like super new. Okay, so if I give you the numbers 5, 30, 10, 8, and 12. So these are the numbers I gave you. These are the amount of M&Ms I ate every night. So on the first night, I just ate 5 M&Ms. I was good. Then I had a really rough day at work, so I went home and I ate 30 M&Ms. Peanut M&Ms. Then the next day, I'm like, it's hot out there. I'm going to eat 10 M&Ms. And then it cooled down. I'm like, all right, I ate a lot. Just 8 M&Ms. But then I'm like, it's Friday. 12 M&Ms. So I want to know, what is the median amount of M&Ms I ate this week? Okay, so what's the first thing I have to do? No. Organize them by putting them in numerical order. Least to greatest. So which is my smallest number?
2, 5, 10. No, 2, 5, 8.
Next number?
8.
Next number?
10, 12, 30.
Beautiful. Okay. So first thing you have to do is put them in order. So here's my smallest number. Here's my biggest number. Now the second step, step 2, cross out from each end. What does that mean? You cross out from the front side. Then you cross out from the back. So front and back, right? And now we're going to cross out again. From the front and then from the back. You do this until you have one number left over. So we're going to circle the number in the middle and we're going to call that the middle number, which is our median, 10. So my medium amount of M&Ms that I ate was 10. Not bad. Doesn't sound bad, right? It's not like 30. She ate 30 M&Ms. All right. We're good? We're good? Okay. So I tried this one. This one's a long numbers. Okay. Write this down. 15, 7, 15, 7, 16, 4, 10, 9, and another 7. Again, I'll repeat them. 15, 7, 16, 4, 10, 9, and 7. Okay, what's the first thing you have to do after you wrote them down? Put them in order. All right, you guys put them in order. I'm going to drink some water. You put them in order? Smallest number? Biggest number? Okay, what's the smallest number?
4.
And then?
7.
And then?
7.
Uh-huh. And then?
9.
And then?
10.
And?
15.
Okay, and 16. Okay, one mistake that I saw last period is they wouldn't write all the numbers. So what I like to do is I like to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I know that I wrote all the numbers down because some kids, they were missing like a random number and then they would get the wrong answer, right? So double check. All right, so now we cross out the front, the back, front, back, front, back.
9.
I crossed out 3 here. I'm good. So the median is 9. What would these numbers represent? What's a good story? How many cookies I ate? Freshly baked cookies. With this heat, let's turn on the oven and bake cookies. Chocolate chip cookies with walnuts.
That's the definition of diabetes. Yeah, way but worse. So definitely
Okay, drink water then.
that is very shocking.
I'm going to give you these numbers in order. What is flying around? What? I'm going to give you these numbers in order. I'm going to give you these numbers in order. So I am helping you by giving you these numbers in order. Okay. So giving you these numbers in order. What number did she read? Okay, now hurry up and write this down. Yes, but first we have to do something else. Okay, front, back, front, back. Oh,
That was hard.
that one's hard. Why?
Because there's 2 numbers.
There's 2 numbers. Okay, there's a couple ways to handle this, Dylan. You can add and divide. Add and divide. You can go ahead and add these 2 numbers and divide by 2. But sometimes, especially now that you're in 7th grade, maybe you see it. Sometimes you can just look at it and know. Now this is sometimes, not always. Can I look at the numbers 70 and 72 and know what is in the middle of 70 and 72? 71. Think of like money. If I had $70 and $72, what would be in the middle? Or a number line. I have a very small number line over here. But it's like, what would be in the middle of 70 and 72? It would be 71. So sometimes you can see it and know it. Oh, the number in the middle of these 2 numbers would be 71. But if we're like, how do they get 71? I don't know. What you could do is add them. Add 72 plus 70. That's 142. Is 142 in the middle? Nope. Then my second step would be 142 divided by 2. And guess what we get? 71, which is what we got before. So if you see that it's 71 without doing the math, because it's pretty easy numbers, do it. If you're like, I don't know how they got 71, then you would add the two numbers that are in the middle and then divide by 2, and you will get the number in the middle. You will get the number in the middle. Okay? Are we okay with that? Let's try one more. In order. I put them in order for you. You're welcome. 55, 60, 86, and 90. Are they in order? Yes. So we're not worried about putting them in order. We already did that for you. Okay, cross them out. Oh, no. There's 2 in the middle. Now, can you see and tell what's in the middle of those two numbers? No. It's not as easy as the one before for some of us, right? So when it's like, I have no idea what's in the middle of 60 and 86.
73.
I have no idea what's in the middle of 86 and 60. I am going to add and divide. So we're going to quietly, without shouting out and giving out anybody the answer, add those two numbers first. Add those two numbers first. Some kids think this is my answer when they add. But think about it. Is 146 in the middle of these two numbers? No, right? It doesn't make sense. So what's our second step? Divide. But it's pretty cool because you're going to be dividing by 2. So it's pretty easy to divide by 2. One of the easier numbers to divide by. How many times does 2 go into 14? 7. How many times does 2 go into 6? 3. So what is our median? 73. So when it gets really weird numbers, add and divide by 2. Remember, level 1, the ones that we love, only one number and you're done, right? Those are easy. The ones that are a little bit harder, you have 2 numbers in the middle. All right, and then the next part that's hard are these numbers. What if I gave you the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So they're in order. Are they in order? Yes, they are. So write them down, cross them out. Write them down, cross them out. Write them down, cross them out. Oh no, 2 numbers in the middle. Sad. Look, Miss Amelie's sad. Oh no, she's mad now. She's mad because there's 2 numbers in the middle. Today she has red eyelashes. She's so mad they turn red. It's over. So easy. Okay, 2 ways to do it. You can either look and know. Does anybody know by looking what's in the middle of 2 and 3? Yeah. Did you do it with just knowing?
Yes.
Like money, what's in the middle of $2 and $3? $2.50. But what if I don't know? Then you would add. What's 3 plus 2? 5. And then I would take 5 and divide it by 2. 2 goes into 5 2 times. That would be 4. Remainder 1. Decimal, 0, bring down, add the 0. How many times is 2 going to 10? 5. So that's why we get 2.5. So sometimes your answers are decimal. Sometimes. Now you can look and go, what's in the middle? But if you don't know what's in the middle, then you would add and divide. Add and divide. The adding and dividing by 2 always works. When do we use it? When we have 2 numbers in the middle. Okay? But sometimes you can just use simple math. Whew! Alright, let's do this. So what's your first step again? What's the name? Least to greatest. Small to big numbers. Small to big numbers. Quick, pass them back. Oh, I forgot to fill in the little thing. Tomorrow we're going to fill that thing out, Camila. That's on your paper. That desk. Okay. We'll do the number 1 together. Like one happy familia. Family. Yeah. Okay, let's put these numbers in order here. Smallest number is 1. 4, 6, 8, 9. Now let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I counted these numbers, they both have 5. So after I write that down, I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to cross out front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back, circle. Front, back, circle. What number's in the middle? 6. Can you guys jump down to number 6? Can you do number 6? We had some issues last period with number 6, so I want to address it with you guys right now. So can you guys do number 6? Number 6. Everybody do number 6. Put them in order. Was it number 6? Shoot, now I'm... Or was it number 7? I can't remember which one they had trouble with. It might have been number 7. You know what? What do I want to do? We'll do 6. 10, 12, 16, 20, 24, 31. No, it wasn't number 6. Oh well, we did it. Front, back, front, back, front, back. 16? Okay, that wasn't the one they had issues with. So maybe it was number 7. Okay, let's do number 7. It's a long one, so go slow. There's a lot of repeating numbers, so go slow. Cross them out as you go. This wasn't it either. There was one. Shoot, what was it? Oh well. Well, I guess we'll deal with it when we get there. This is a lot. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so make sure you wrote 13 numbers down. It's a lot of numbers. Muchos números. Woo! What'd you guys get for number 7? There's no decimals on this side. So this side, if you're on the right side, on the front side that has a number 1 at the top, all of these answers are nice. You only have one number in the middle. All of these are just one number in the middle. The back side, well, that's a different story. But we won't stress about the back side for another 5 minutes. We have an answer key. Miss J. 5. Miss Demi did it. Yay, it's 5. We did it. We won. Nothing. We won.